As a farmer, you never stop trying. You have persistence and a determination to succeed that gets you through the most challenging times. Even today, I still have the same enthusiasm as I did the first day I started farming. And with future generations returning to the farm, that's something I strive to instill in each of my boys. I watched my kids grow up right from the tractor seat. From learning how to drive to making their first solo run in the field, there's nothing better than watching your kids grow up on the farm. 2 years ago, I stood at the end of a field and watched my boys work. It was then I realized the torch is being passed to the next generation. You know, farming isn't just about harvesting a good crop. It's about maintaining good relationships with your neighbors and your landlords. We take great pride in the appearance of each farm. From mowing roadsides to cleaning fence rows, I want our farm to be known for going the extra mile. Agriculture is one of our nation's greatest success stories. It's an industry I love being a part of and watching evolve. To me, being a farmer is an honor. That's why I farm.